Buttons are one of the most useful tools you will use in your App Inventor. The button's located in the user interface right over here. You simply drag it into your screen and it appears. You can have a lot of fun with the buttons. Changing your, let's see, we can change your background color over here. Make the font bold, italic, however you want to work it. Let's make the size, size 20 font, and I'm going to change it down here to monospace. Height of your button itself, why not? Let's make it fill parent. It's going to be a huge button, and width will also be fill parent. Obviously, you can make the button a lot smaller, but this button will take up the entire screen. You can always change the image of your button if you want to have a little fun with that. Sometimes I also like to have fun with the shape. Right now I can simply make it rounded, and then if I change the height and width, you'll see a rounded button. Or if you make it oval, it looks like that. By adjusting the height and width again, you can, let's say, 20, and width will also be 20 pixels. So it makes it more circular, but now the font is way too big, so I'm going to make the pixels 100 and 100. So have fun with your button. Play around with the properties section to see what you can do. Over here on blocks, you can see the many things you can do with the button. When button one click, it's what you'll usually begin with, but there are a few other choices too. Why don't we simply change the background color? When button one click, we're going to set the background color to, let's go with orange this time. And you will see when you click on the button with your tablet, it will turn orange rather than blue. But there are so many other different things you can do with a button. Basically, a button creates an action, any kind of action that you want. These are not the only choices. Other choices will be available once you add additional components. So there you have it. Use the buttons. They will be absolutely amazing. You can do whatever you want with it and have fun.